Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. My boy Desi had this Milwaukee. Left it somewhere and it got moisture in it in there and it rusted. Here's mine. Works fine. Battery has 2 light charge. I'm going to put it in that one. See if we can even see the battery charge. Yeah, we can see the battery charge, but we can hear the strain on it when we try to operate. I'm going to dunk the head in some PB Blaster, probably up to this part of the neck, and let it soak for an hour. See what happens. Break out the PB Blaster. Soaking the head of that thing in there. I'm going to do something else over here on Panther and come back to that. Took a pair of pliers, twisted the back of it a couple times until that freed up. Then I turned it on, ran it back and forth different directions. Now it's working. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.